I got a fleet of hoes right now that will come and finesse you out of your socks, nigga. That's number one. That's number one.
Wait a minute.
And
This is a very bad. This is a very
fleet
bad.
of hoes right now. No, it's cool.
My fault.
So like I was saying, I got a fleet of hoes right now that will come and finesse you out of your socks, nigga. That's number one. That's number one.
Okay.
And anybody in Detroit, whether I was in high school all the way up until right now, know who I am in real life. Now, I don't have to yell to get my point across.
Oh, I'm in your soul. I feel it in your breath. You're breathing hard. You're breathing hard.
I thought you was gonna be quiet for 5 seconds.
My bad, bro. Yo, go ahead.
I will send you a first-class ticket to Detroit, nigga.
I'm ready.
All you got to do is DM me. I will have a cameraman follow us around, and I will embarrass every last one of you gamed up niggas.
Oh, let's get busy.
Hold on, let me finish.
I'm just gonna be honest, y'all. All this gamed up shit and all this other foolishness, yo. You know how many women I done got from just sitting in a room and not saying a goddamn thing? I'm talking about in my entire life, and I ain't no goddamn Morris Chestnut. I swear, you know how many women I done had? They done came up. The one I got now, see me walking past her and wanted me. Are you serious, boy? It don't take much game. If a woman like you, she like you. And if you got money on top of that, yeah. If you got swag on top of that, cool. If you got a gift of gab on top of that, even more. But if she fuck with you, she fuck with you.
Let me finish. Because I know that y'all think that y'all got it. I seen you niggas on y'all little men's trips. You niggas is corny.